here. Fry them.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another vlog. So today I am gonna make mirch ke pakode. So here are the mirche with me, and then I have mashed potatoes. I have already boiled them, and I have mixed some green chilies to that as well. And I will add red chili powder, some garam masala, and amchur, and some salt to taste. So what I'm gonna do, I will just mix everything, like all the masala in the mashed potatoes, and for the chilies, I'll slit them from between, and then I'll just remove all the seeds from the chilies, and then we'll stuff these potatoes inside the chilies.
Now look at these chilies. So I'm going to slit this from here, and then we have these beach. I think this is more like this what do you call शिमला मिर्च, और ये तीखा भी बहुत कम होता है. So मुझे तो शिमला मिर्च जैसे ही लग रहा है. तो हम इसको यहाँ से इसके सारे बीज निकालेंगे. And same I'll do with the rest. So I have around one, two, three, four, 7 chilies with me. Now the next step is that we have got this mashed potatoes, and I'm gonna mix all the masalas to this. So I'll add a little bit of salt. Mix किया हुआ था. And then we have this red chili powder. वो mix करते हैं. And then I'll add some garam masala, thoda sa. Now I'll just mash everything well. And yes, I have this dry mango powder, यानी कि आमचूर. थोड़ा सा आमचूर भी डालेंगे इसमें हम. Little bit of it. ज़्यादा नहीं. That's it. अच्छे से इसको हम करेंगे मैश. Put the potatoes inside the chilies. We are going to make it fill. Fill or stuff these. हो गया. What is the next step is that we have to make a batter of besan, and adding some salt and red chili powder and turmeric powder to that, and we'll dip it inside the paste and then fry it. So I'll show you that. Guys, I had these batter or like this mashed potato left. So what I'm gonna do, I'll make bread pakora, one more dish to my iftar today. So what I'm gonna do, I will put the mashed potatoes onto the breads. And then yes, just put some water onto the bread so that it will stick onto here. तो इसको अच्छे से दबा देंगे. I'll press this. Just cut this. I'll cut them in 4 parts because they are already very heavy. तो जैसे ये आधा हो गया ना, तो ये बन के ना, it's too heavy for iftar. So what I do, I just cut them in 4 parts. So they become small like this, and it's very easy to have one at a time. Otherwise it's too heavy. Okay, and I don't remove the edges. I just don't want to waste this part. So I am making this batter, and what I have added is besan and some turmeric, red chili powder, and yes, I have to mix some baking soda as well. So I'll add a pinch of baking soda, just a pinch, just this much of, and that's it. And the batter is ready almost. So next is what I'll fry the both the things, like this bread pakora and this chili as well. So I have this oil ready, and I'll just wrap the chilies properly to that, and just have to just fry them, and we'll do the same with the rest of the chilies. So 3 to 4 chilies are, enough for one batch. Do not crowd them so much. So you can see they are turning golden brown. Be very careful because maybe it will burst. I have a very bad experience with pakoras because once it just got burst and I was burned badly. So they are done.
So after they are fried well, just remove the pakoras on a paper towel and they are ready to eat.
Next dish in the menu is macaroni. So I will make macaroni. So for that I will boil them first. I will add a little bit of oil to this so that they don't stick and खुली खुली सी रहती है फिर. So that's it for the macaroni, and I'll just boil them and I'll show the next step.
So initially, I planned to make. I'll just make a macaroni with all the, red sauce and all. But then I thought, why not? I should try to make white sauce macaroni. Well, people eat white sauce pasta, but this time I'm trying white sauce macaroni because I have macaroni at home. That's the only reason. So for that, I have all the colorful bell peppers, and I will fry the bell peppers, and also I have the onions with me. So first of all, I will just add the onions to the oil, and then the next step is that I'll also add the rest of the bell peppers in the pan to fry them. So we don't have to cook them. It's just that we have to saute the veggies and that's it.
So I am, so this is almost done. So I will just remove the pan and put them aside.
So the next process is that we have to make the white sauce. So that I have taken a spoonful of butter, and you'll just put it in the pan, and you have to add a little bit of maida, white flour to the butter, and then you have to cook it till it turns golden brown. After that, we will just add milk to this. But I have also added the cheese, processed cheese to this, and then we have to stir it continuously. One thing I like to mention is there you have to add the cheese after you have put the milk. So I have done it before, so you can see there are lumps in the sauce already, so you don't need to worry. After adding the milk, you just have to stir it well and press it with a spatula, or whisk it properly and cook it on a low flame so that the lumps are gone. After that, I can add black pepper and some oregano to this, and also salt to taste. After that, again, you have to stir it continuously so that you just lumps are all gone, and it is all mixed very well. So you can see the thickening of the sauce already here. So what you have to do, either you add water or you add milk to this paste. So what I have done, I have added little more milk and then a little bit of water to this, so you can see the consistency now. So it is now thin, like not very thick. So this consistency is, I guess, good for because it will, when dry, it will already become very thick. So now the next step is that I'm adding the veggies that I have fried, and I will also then add the macaroni to the sauce. So after I have added all the macaroni to the sauce, I have to just kind of mix it properly, and then you have to cook it for around 5 minutes, I guess, not more than 5 minutes. So for 5 minutes you have to cook this on low flame, and then it will be ready. Now you can see that the sauce is thick now, and this is almost done. So what I'm not gonna do, I'll just put it in the bowl, in the serving bowl, and here it's ready.